Hey everybody, and welcome back to my home. My name is Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be reviewing some CB2 throw pillows that I just bought. So I'm trying to figure out how to accessorize my home, and I bought some really cute throw pillows that I want to share with you guys and also share what I learned. So I did go ahead and already put together some of the throw pillows, but this is the box. There was another one too that they came in. So let's start off with this 20 by 20 zebra throw pillow, and I'm gonna put the descriptions below with the exact amounts that they cost and a link to them, so that way you know what I'm talking about. But I got this one. You had the option of the down filling or polyester filling. I did get the down filling, and it smelled a little musty, so I think going forward I'm gonna do the polyester fillings. I really do like the coloring of this, and I like the design. I wish it was black. It is absolutely a light gray, maybe a medium gray. It's not quite a charcoal. I'd say a medium gray. The inside is 20 by 20, just like the cover, and I'd recommend getting a bigger filling for this one so that it has that really nice plush feel, because as you can see, it's a little bit loose. It's not like that really full super fluffy look that we want right out the bat, but we can fix that. We can buy our own filling, so no worries there. But other than that, I do really like the color. I think it looks good with my interior and my couch, and I'm sure it's a really neutral color, but with a little bit of pizzazz. So I think you could really get into it. The feel of it is very soft, very comfortable. Definitely that's something that I look for in a throw pillow. I do want it to be comfortable and not only cute. I want both. So that is that on this one. And I'm gonna move on to the next throw pillow. So this one is the long lumbar support zebra pillow. If you're noticing a theme here, yes, I was going for kind of a more like jungle kind of vibe here. So I found this, I thought it was really cute. It does have this really beautiful hardware built right into the zipper. Again, you had the option of getting the down filling or polyester. I picked down. Down smells a little musty and feels a little crunchy. So I think I'm actually gonna go for polyester next time, but it is an option between the two on CB2's website, no extra charge, which I thought was nice. You can just choose your preference. So that's cool. It's a little smaller than I expected, which is kind of a trend that I'm noticing. So it may just be my expectations are a little off. The pictures look a little bigger based on the size of my couch versus the couches that they have on their advertisement. So definitely look at the sizes. They are listed. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. Very soft, very comfortable canvas. You do have the lighter color on the back and then the pattern on the front. It is closer to like a black brown, and then you have a cream color mixed with it. So I don't know what it looks like on camera or on the website, but just so you know, it is a darker color than the last one, but it's like a black brown with that lighter color, and then of course the silver zipper. Again, not super plush. It's not really packed. It's not as empty as the last one, so you might want to size up with the fill. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Comment below what you guys think about the color palette and how it's going with my sofa. Let me know any suggestions you have. I'm so open to hearing. And also I want to hear about what finds you guys have found. All right, so the next one is this one. Now this one is my favorite of the batch. I think it looks the best. It's the strongest design to go with my home interior, so I do like that. It is true black here, so you have black, then you have like an oatmeal color, and then you have a cream, which works perfectly for my aesthetic. Again, it is a 20 by 20 in size, and it is not very full. It's very empty and lumpy feeling. Again, I went for the down, and you do have the option to get the polyester with this one at no extra charge. So do that. That would be my recommendation. If I could do anything differently, I would do that. I would get the other one, but honestly, I would go up in size and fill. That's the one takeaway, is we don't actually even need the fill that comes with it, because we gotta go up anyway. It really doesn't fit. It's very empty filling. The other thing that I wanna know is that this really feels like, if you know what a jute rug feels like, or a jute wool blend rug, this really feels like that. It's not super cozy feeling, but it is cute. So I'm kind of going back and forth on if I'm going to tolerate cute, not cozy. sometimes we do have to pick and choose our battles, right? The back is a softer material than the front, but it also is kind of that canvasy feel. It almost feels like it should be an outdoor pillow, but it's not. But I do love the look and feel of it, or the look of it, not so much the feel of it. Now, I did want to show you guys how these actually come, because of course I assembled these pillows, but how they come from CB2 is actually taken apart. So this is the same one that we just looked at. And then this is the feel that it comes with. So this again is the feather down. So it's a little crunchy if you can kind of hear that, but I mean, that's kind of how, you know, if you know, you know, right? So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, so here it is. And then I believe it's a zipper opening. Yeah, we have a zipper opening. Take our down filling. All right, so here it is, fully assembled. And again, you can kind of play with it to try to make it look a little bit more full. But this is pretty much what it looks like once you put it together. And here we are. So I'm going to show you guys some footage with how the sofa looks with these. You guys let me know what your favorite is. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. And I'm going to be doing a lot more home decor. As you can see around my home, there's actually a lot of items from CB2 and West Elm. So I'll be reviewing more of those soon. Thanks so much for joining me, and see you next time.